So let's see if we can order one of these little snacks and see if it will get delivered to the room by robot. Please call the front desk at the extension number 9 in your room and tell them the product you would like. A robot will deliver to your room. Okay. Hello, can I order a midnight snack set, please? Okay, thank you. Well, apparently this little snack box that I've just ordered is going to get delivered to my room, and the robot is going to knock on the door.
Want to speak in English? Say hello. Yeah.
Okay, the door, that was a weird knock. Oh! Hello?
Your delivery has arrived.
Thank you.
Once you have retrieved your
Oh,
item, press the
snacks. Thank you very much.